Veterans, you've served our country, and now it's time for your service to serve you. This home, ideally located near PGA Headquarters in coveted Frisco Hills, is more than just a place to live. It's an opportunity designed to reward you for everything you've given. This home comes with the chance to assume a $567,000 loan at only 2.25% interest rate. That means you can take over an incredibly low monthly payment compared to today's prevailing rate. And with secondary conventional loan, you can afford an over $1 million property for a payment that's similar to an $800,000 home. And we all know that affordability is one of the biggest challenges in today's housing market. This structure allows you, a veteran, to get into a beautiful home without being crushed by high interest rates. It's our way of saying thank you for your sacrifice and your commitment and your service to our wonderful country. Some of the most intriguing and highly sought after features of this home. Number one, check out the walls. Look at the beautiful hand-done tile work. Now, something you'll never find up here. If you yourself are looking for multi-generational living, maybe you have family members with you, maybe you have a live-in nanny and you just want a little privacy, you're never gonna find what I have to show you today. You ready? So here you have a complete suite on the first floor, ensuite bath, and they did not cut corners with this bath. This is gorgeous, just as the primary suite is gorgeous. Your own bedroom, which is a great size, in a wonderful size closet, and come check this out in your suite. So if your mother wants to live with you, your nanny, even maybe your teenager, come check this out. Their own private kitchen, complete with a refrigerator, cooktop, 4-burner stove, oven, microwave, and a dishwasher. They also have their own outdoor access, and wait till you see this. So not only do they have their own garage entrance for their car, they also have their own washer and dryer, so you don't have to be washing your unmentionables with your mother's or your nanny's. They have their own. Now, I don't believe that Airbnb is legal in this community. However, should one day the HOA rules change, this is the ideal setup if you wanted to earn some secondary income in your home. Like I said, right now the HOA does not allow for that, but who knows, maybe in the future those rules could change and this could create income for you. Do you work from home? Come check out the size of this office. So I'm assuming if you've been looking for a home for quite some time and you've been checking out Frisco, most of the offices you've seen feel like club lounges. They're very dark, it's a lot of wood, probably not your ideal place to work. What you'll find in this office is tons of light. It's bright, high ceilings, spacious, and you have a beautiful view of the outdoor, so you don't feel so isolated and secluded like many of the other homes you're currently looking at. Everyone knows that the heart of a home is the kitchen. It's where everyone gathers, your friends and family come to hang out. Tell me about this one. Can't you imagine having the most amazing holidays here? You'll never run out of cabinet space, the best appliances that money can buy, and tons of light. This is the perfect space for entertaining and enjoying life with your friends and family. Are you a parent of teenagers? We all know that the safest, best way for your kids to hang out is in your house. That way you can keep an eye on them, make sure they're out of trouble. And what better place than this amazing movie screening room? Oh, look, a rare teenager sighting. Remember how I told you earlier that only veterans could assume the 2.25% interest rate? You're never gonna believe this. Breaking news. I just got an email that you do not have to be a veteran. Anyone who has a positive financial standing is eligible to assume the $560,000 loan at only 2.25% interest rate on this property. This is an opportunity you absolutely don't want to miss. These types of opportunities rarely come around, and the fact that the seller is willing to allow you to purchase this home, 5 to 10 years from now, you are going to make an absolute killing on the equity of this home. Do not miss this chance to make this Frisco Hills home yours.